Happy day, children. Welcome to another interesting session of Grade 6 Science, Chapter 11, Light, Shadows and Reflections. The minute we open our eyes, we see our surroundings. We see a variety of objects of different colors, shapes and sizes. When are we not able to see things around us? It is when our eyes are closed or when it is dark. At these times, what do you think is preventing us from seeing objects around us? Is there something missing? Yes, it is the source of light. The moment we switch on the light or open our eyes, we are able to see things around us. Light is something that enables to see the things around us. Luminous, non-luminous objects. We cannot see something if there is no light. Yes. So objects that give out light are called as luminous objects. Objects that do not give out light are called non-luminous objects. Example of luminous object: sun, candle, etc. Example of non-luminous objects: moon, book, etc. Types of light sources. Any object that give out light is called a source of light. Luminous objects are also called as sources of light. Sources of light can be natural or artificial. Example of natural source of light are the sun, stars, etc. Example of artificial source of light are candle, electric bulb, and laser. Do you know, children? Animals and plants that emit light are also called as natural sources of light. Light behaves differently when it passes through different materials. Based on the way light passes through them, we can classify materials into three broad categories, namely transparent, translucent, and opaque materials. Transparent materials are those that allow all the light to pass through them. Translucent material allow only some light to pass through them. Opaque materials doesn't allow any light to pass through them. Now, let's understand the transparency of objects through an activity.
I have taken a clear glass, a colored glass, and a notebook for this activity. I am using a torchlight as my source of light. See how bright the torchlight is. Now let's check what happens with different objects.
Now let's see.
I am taking a clear glass in front of the torchlight. Have you noticed, children? The brightness of the light did not reduce because the clear glass is a transparent object. Now, let's see what happens with a colored glass. Did you notice? The brightness has reduced a bit because the colored glass didn't allow all the light to pass through it because it is a translucent material. Now, I'm bringing a notebook in front of the torchlight. See, no light passes through the notebook because the notebook is an opaque object. So in such a way, different materials allow different amount.
Thank you.